What's going on, guys? It's me again. Yeah, today we're just gonna basically go take some pictures over there downtown. It's already kind of dark, but hopefully we get some nice pictures.
This nigga washing his rims with the window seat. Look, you getting even more dirty.
No mames, güey, lo estás ensuciando más.
It was already dirty. It was already now. That shit better. Square. Okay, that's better now. Hold on, second line. Oh no, get the
yeah, hopefully we get some dope pictures. Take my truck too. Haven't driven it this weekend till today. So yeah. And the spacers are still right there. They're still holding on. So yeah, nothing has happened with the spacers. The truck is still running good and everything. But yeah, right now we should just head on over there and take pictures and probably make like a little bit of footage because I haven't posted nothing on my YouTube channel. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. It's already kind of late. It's already 5:40. As you can see, look at this faggy.
Andres Detailing, hit me up. I'll stay. Alright, let's go. Bitch ass up. This is a pumpkin.
No mames.
Damn, you let your shit shine like that. Come on now.
Y aquí el pinche tacuechón allá. Let's just go like that already. It's gonna get darker.
Nah, bro, it's rims before shoots. Come on now. Everybody knows that. Rims before you want me to do that one? Now we talking.
Alright. Entonces, dale, vámonos. Yeah, I'll see you when I get over there. Well, when we get over there. Finally made it here to downtown Houston, and I mean it's already dark as fuck, and I can barely even see anything and stuff. But yeah, I'm trying to see where I could take some dope ass pictures. But yeah, I'm gonna go up there with them right now. Ya estoy grabando. Acting like a bitch, right?
Nigga, they were fucking laughing, bro. I know, they she looked like our cousin, the one from Mexico. How the fuck that nigga biting a lot? That nigga didn't even say nothing. You go laughing though. He should have said something like, what's so funny? I was like, hit that outro. Are you gonna make it a video or not?
Yeah, I already started. Well, yeah, guys.
I was gonna say something so bad, but they were
fuck.
bitches, bro. I was like, fuck. Oh, bitch.
we got
I just
some.
got clowned on.
We got some footage.
No, we didn't. Nigga. We got fucking clowned on real nice.
But there was like a shitload of cops and stuff like that. And hell yeah.
Nigga, I was so tempted to say something,
Really
but I was like,
record
you
that
should have,
much anymore,
nigga.
but yeah.
I didn't even know what
Right
to
now
say.
we're
What was
probably
I
gonna
gonna
go
say?
eat.
Like that hoe ugly as fuck anyway.
That's probably it.
Hey, what's that? You ruined the fucking clip.
Hubieras puesto ahí en el vlog.
¿Qué quieres que ponga? Yeah, so we ended up in Jack in the Box.
Fuck you, bitch. Broke ass nigga gave me 4 tacos.
She. Dale, madre. Yeah, I mean, we went to Popeyes, but they were already sold out from the chicken sandwich, so we had to come back over here. So we're just, I mean, I'm not even eating pretty like nothing. I already ate. I just wanted to try the chicken sandwich, but
¿El de tu casa estaba?
no, tampoco en la casa. Julio. Güey.
Corte.
De Juanito. Del Julio. My girl.
Are you making it awkward with this?
Your wife.
My wife slash baby mom. Mira cómo se ríe. ¿Por qué te volteas? But yeah, that's it for now, and I don't know what I'm gonna do next weekend. Hopefully I don't work so I could do a funner video, because this one was alright. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next time. Peace.
You're catching. Man, shut your bitch ass up. There's a little pump in this bitch, man. Fuck that shit.